So we got tame down birds out here. Seagulls.
You gotta watch them motherfuckers, man.
They'll take all kind of shit off too. He's eating the striped chicken.
Get the fuck out of here. Come sit on
That's how much of shit on us now. Fly over and shit. He's wanting that piece right there.
You want it? Here, motherfucker. You can have it.
That's what I guarantee. That's what he's looking at. Seagulls.
Anytime you see them a big flock of them seagulls heading into land, there's a fucking storm fixing to hit out there.
Look, he got a damn bone. That one swallowed that whole damn leg a while ago.
He got a bone too.
That looks like a leg there. He'll turn long ways and suck it down.
I can't believe that motherfucker swallowed that big old piece of chicken. Good God Almighty. Well, go ahead and get it, brother. Ah, motherfucker, you should have got it when you had a chance. Watch, there he goes, there he goes, watch. He fixing to take it from you, motherfucker.
Damn near tame, ain't they? That one's got a different, his head's darker. He acts like the boss or something.